Hello guys, in today's video, we are going to present you the top 5 best ventless portable air conditioners available on the market. We made decisions our personal preference and solidly based on their prices, quality, durability, and repetition of the manufacturers. Check the description to find out their prices and more information. I've included the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell button for upcoming video notifications. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. DeLonghi Portable 376 HGRFK 6ALWH 7200 BTU Air Conditioner. This DeLonghi Portable 376 HGRFK 6ALWH 7200 air conditioner boasts a sleek freestanding design that will add visual interest to any space. It has excellent cooling abilities and it's recommended for rooms of up to 500 square feet. Thanks to built-in Wi-Fi, this air conditioner has a number of smart features. Arctic Whisper Extreme Tech provides quiet performance. This air con works with DeLonghi's Pack app to facilitate changing settings remotely. However, the oversimplified control panel on this unit lacks a display for various parameters. Real Feel technology intelligently adjusts the temperature and humidity, providing comfort. This device is easy to install and features casters and a handle to enable moving the AC from room to room with ease. A conveniently located control panel enables adjusting settings easily. This air conditioner is compatible with Alexa and Google Home and various smart speakers to allow simple voice operation. It comes with a cleanable filter to trap dust from the room. Why we like it? With built-in wireless tech, this device supports various voice control services, and it works with a mobile app for managing settings easily. This device has plenty of cooling power, so it's recommended for medium-sized spaces. Number 4. COSTWAY Portable Air Conditioner. The COSTWAY 23048 CYPE CCSS air conditioner has a customizable design that supports temperature adjustment, featuring a range of 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. It has a built-in fan with 2 fan speeds. With a dehumidifying system, this air conditioner helps to optimize the moisture levels in the room. This air conditioner has a customizable control panel that allows switching between Celsius and Fahrenheit units, and an innovative drain system allows unattended operation. However, this unit is relatively noisy. This air conditioner is programmable, featuring a 24-hour time and automatic shutdown function. With 8000 BTU/H air conditioning, this device is recommended for spaces as big as 230 square ft, making it a good choice for bedrooms, offices, camper vans, and dorm rooms. Forecasters enable moving this device conveniently between rooms. This device also comes with remote control for changing settings easily, and it has a filter to protect the system from dust. Why we like it? With a customizable settings panel that allows switching between Celsius and Fahrenheit readings, this device is easy to operate. It has a 24-hour timer and has wheels that provide mobility. Number 3. YUKOKI USPC01W Smart Wi-Fi Portable Air Conditioner. Thanks to an integrated heating system, the Ukoke USPC01W 12,000 BTU air conditioner allows users to toggle between cooling and heating functions, providing an all-round temperature management solution. This air conditioner has built-in Wi-Fi, working with Amazon Alexa and other voice assistants for hassle-free voice control. The device works with the YUKOKI app to remotely control the air con. However, this device's Wi-Fi is limited to the 2.4 GHz band and doesn't support modern 5 GHz bands. A built-in dehumidifier controls the humidity in the room. This air conditioner has a 12,000 BTU rating, and it's recommended for rooms as big as 400 square feet using the ozone-friendly R410A refrigerant. This air conditioner is quite efficient. It produces just 53 dB of sound, making it a suitable option for bedrooms and other places that are sensitive to noise. This air conditioner also comes with remote control for simple operation. Why we like it? In addition to cooling and dehumidifying, this air conditioner has a heating function to help keep the room warm on cold days. It works with a smartphone app to enable hassle-free operation and management. Number 2. SereneLife /128 Portable Air Conditioner. The SereneLife /128 7000 BTU air conditioner is a freestanding model that supports placement on the floor. This air conditioner has a built-in humidifier, reducing the humidity levels in the room. It has an integrated fan to enhance ventilation. The air conditioning also has a heating function that will come in handy for warming the room during the cold months. An automatic swing mode offers maximum air circulation. However, this device is chunky. An included remote control and digital controls on the AC enable changing the power mode, temperature, and fan settings. This device has a timer for programming operations. With 7,000 BTU, 12,000 BTU OSHRI, this air conditioner is recommended for rooms of up to 450 square feet. It operates at noise levels of 56 to 50 dBA, so it's suitable for bedrooms and studies. This model comes with all the hardware needed for mounting. Why we like it? Featuring aircon, water dissipation and heating functions in one device, this air conditioner provides excellent all-round home ventilation. It features 7,000 British thermal units, and is recommended for rooms of up to 450 square feet. Number 1. Black Plus Decker 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. With a sleek design, the Black Plus Decker Packed 08 WT 4000 BTU air conditioner brings a touch of charm to any room. This portable air conditioner boasts 4000 BTU, 8000 BTU OSHRI, cooling small rooms down to 65 degrees Fahrenheit at the lowest setting. This device has adjustable fan speed, allowing customization, while a sleep mode keeps noise levels down. This device has a convenient bucketless design and comes with all the hardware needed for installation. However, the included exhaust hose is unusually big. This floor-standing model has a small footprint that is ideal for small rooms, and the AC is effective in rooms measuring up to 150 square feet. The air conditioner is equipped with wheels, allowing users to move it easily from room to room. It has a 24-hour delay start time, enabling hassle-free programming. Featuring a remote control and top-mounted LED display, this device supports easy temperature and fan speed adjustment. With a built-in dehumidifier, this device takes care of all the home's ventilation needs. Why we like it? This device has a sleek design that brings charm and a touch of sophistication to any room. It has wheels for mobility and supports adjusting the temperature and fan speed.